Hey, how's it going? So today we're at a build for a customer getting a brand new roof. This was an insurance claim. What I'm doing is actually going through and taking photos for what's called a supplement. So you want to make sure when you're picking out a roofing contractor, go with a company that does supplements. And the reason why, let's just say that during the build or anytime during the process, if there's additional money needed, your contractor can go after the insurance company for that additional money, so you're not having to pay it out of pocket. Let's just use an example. Out here on this build, there was actually 2 layers of felt. So if your roofing company didn't supplement, they would have just left that extra felt on there, which is not the correct way to do it. What we do is we document all those findings and then just send the invoice to the insurance company so they pay for that and not you. These little small items can start to add up. A couple $100 here, a couple $100 there. But in the event that it's a large item, let's say like $3,000, you don't want to be responsible for that. So go with a contractor that does their supplements. That way it maximizes your claim, covers all the damages under that claim, and it limits your out-of-pocket expense. I hope this helps. Have a great day.